Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace and welcome to another Amazon video. This video is actually not super crafty related. Well, it's not crafty related at all, but if you guys are current subscribers, you know I talk about Amazon quite a bit and I love sharing deals from the Amazon Prime Day sale. When I was searching for crafty deals to share with you, I noticed so many great kitchen, home, beauty products that I wanted to share with you. So I want to get into this pretty quick and I narrowed it down to 10 items, but there were so many more I wanted to include. It's just really time consuming to share all of the links and gather them all up for you. So feel free to check out my storefront if you want to see any more deals. If you don't have Amazon and you want to shop this sale, I have a link below where you can get 30 days for free on Amazon. So you can sign up for that and then just shop the sale. And if you're new, welcome. And if you like crafty videos, check out my other videos. We're gonna get started. I have my laptop here, so I'll just be looking down and I'll put maybe some screenshots up for anything that I wanted to share with you. So the first one, and these are all wish list items for me. I probably won't be doing much shopping, but I wish that I were because there are some great deals. And the first one is the iRobot Roomba. I hate carpet and I have carpet upstairs in my house. Hate it. It would be so cool to have one of these, and this one is amazing. I read the comments, or sorry, the reviews. I always do that before I'm sharing items with you, and people seem to love this one. It has a lot of really great features, and it seems so cool. It's 41% off, and this is a Prime early day sale. I'm getting this video up as quick as I can because I do know that these things run out of stock. So you'll want to check that out if you're interested. That could be a really great Christmas present. The next one, this has been on my wish list for a while, and it is the Bissell Little Green Multi-Cleaner Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Wow, that is a long title. It's 19% off, so under $100, and I love having a steam cleaner for my couch, my upstairs carpets, and just random things around the house. And this one looks really cool because it's small and easy to carry around, and it has all of the attachments that you need. That reminds me, I've been looking for a small steamer too. I'll have to see if I can find one on a deal and I'll add it to my Amazon storefront. So the next one is a laptop. Oh no, I think it has gone, I can't mention that one anymore because the deal has gone off. Oh, that was such a good deal. Well, if I find any more laptop deals, I'll add that as well. That just goes to show you'll want to act fast. That's what I was trying to say. The Amazon Fire, this is the same tablet that my daughter has, and I think it's so great. It works good, has a good battery life, has enough storage for her. This one's 42% off, so it's $109. It's the newer model. Great for Christmas and birthday presents. This is just kind of a random one, but I saw the cutest fall sweater, and since it was on the deal, I noticed it's 10% off, but there was also a 20% off coupon in addition. It's where you have to like click the little box. So grab that before I grab it in all of the colors. The Ninja blender. Before I had my blender that I have now, can't even think of the name of it. I had one that was similar to this Ninja, really liked it. And I would honestly love to have another one that has more options for just like quick like smoothies. Mine's really big, so I don't know. I was checking out blenders, saw this one, 40% off, $119. Let's see. One of the Amazon bestseller items is the Crest 3D white strips. I actually have been wanting to get some of these. So these are 35% off, $29.99. So I saw that the 23andMe kit was 50% off, actually a really great deal. And I had to suggest this one because I used the 23andMe kit so many years ago. I have a video actually of it on my second channel, embarrassing video, but I actually ended up finding my 3 siblings through this. Not necessarily, they weren't also, yeah, it's a long story. Anyways, I found my siblings through 23andMe. So I also noticed that they have the Kasori air fryer, and this is 29% off. This is a Prime early day sale. So again, I'm hoping this is still available and on the same sale when I share it with you. $85, really great. And I have 2 more, and it's actually 2 different Nespresso makers. I wanted to include them both because they're different models. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I love making coffee in my Keurig, but I think it would be really cool. The one that I'm gonna pop up here is the one that's a little bit more expensive. It is 30% off right now though, and it also has the milk frother, and I can tell you that I would probably use that several times a day. So it is definitely on my wish list. Again, there were so many other things that are on my wish list that are in the Amazon Prime Day sale, but I just wanted to share a few with you guys here just to test it out on this channel, since it's all crafty related and this is not crafty related, but I know that you guys also are buying things for your houses as well, and many of you are also Amazon shoppers. Just a quick thank you for using my links. I didn't mention at the beginning, but these are affiliate links. I get a small percentage of commission if you use my links, and I really greatly appreciate it, and I really appreciate your support. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.